Hello everyone! For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang data entry form sa Microsoft Excel. Data entry ito na hindi ginagamitan ng VBA or Power Query or kahit na anong formula sa Excel. Kino-consider ko din ito as a basic function ng Microsoft Excel. Now in this video, we have a sample table here with a date, name, item, and the sales. Now the basic process is to do it manually, just like this. The date, January 1st, 2022, the name, the item, and the sales. But as much as possible, we do it in a pleasant or an enjoyable way. So we are going to use the data entry form function. In order for you to use forms function, we have things to consider. You can just right click on any of these tabs, click on customize the ribbon. There you go. These are the commands used in Microsoft Excel. And on the first drop down, we have the popular commands, commands not in the ribbon, and all commands. But in this case, I'm gonna select the second one. And then let's look for the form. There you go. And if you're going to add this function, you'll be getting an error message. Commands need to be added to custom groups. So you have to create a group first. Now in this case, I want this function be under data tab. So I can just click on this and then new group. There you go. And then click on add. There you go. So form is now under data tab. Click on OK. Let's see. Data. There you go. Form is now under the data tab. Alright, so gumawa tayo ng isang example. Delete muna natin to. There you go. One thing to consider is your table. Kailangan ito ay naka-official table ng Microsoft Excel. So click on Ctrl plus T. There you go. Make sure lang na yung My Table has headers is naka-check. Then click on OK. There you go. Since naka-official table na yung table natin, we can go to data and then click on form. There you go. So ito yung form function ng Microsoft Excel where you can input data. For example, for the date, let's put January 1st, 2022. And then for the name, the item, and the sales. So para mailagay mo yung data na to sa ating official table, you can just click on enter. There you go. Let's make another one. Then, click on enter. There you go. So, automatic na napupunta yung data natin sa ating table. And one thing good about this is, pwede mo siyang scroll up or scroll down. As you can see, meron tayong 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Meaning, dito pa lang meron na siyang count kung ilang items na meron yung isang table natin. Meron tayong option to delete a specific line. For example, yung second line natin is mali, then you can just click on delete. And then click on OK, will be permanently deleted. Then click on OK. There you go. So we only have 1 of 1 line item. Now, another example, nabura mo yung data sa ating first line item. O for example, ito, unfortunately, walang undo dito or Ctrl Z, hindi gumagana dito. But don't worry because we have an option for that. Meron tayong tinatawag na restore. Just click on this one. There you go. May babalik ngayon yung ating data sa ating first line item. So there you go. Ito yung pinaka-easy way para tayo ay makapag-data entry, of course, with the use of this very small and simple form in Microsoft Excel. And if you want to know more about Microsoft Excel, just click on like and subscribe for more videos.